Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open an Allstate account. So let's start with the first one, which is visit the Allstate website. So just go to the allstate.com and click on login at the top navigation bar. Now on the sign in page, just click on create account or register now, and then start the registration process. So in this one, you will need an existing Allstate policy or be ready to get a quote. Next step is go ahead and complete the registration form. So just enter your email address, create a password, and set up a security question. So Allstate requires strong passwords with at least 8 characters, and you will also need to agree to the terms and services and the privacy policy as well. Next is verify your personal information. So just provide your policy number, date of birth, and zip code to verify your identity and link your policy. So Allstate uses this information to match with your existing insurance records and your local agent. Next is set communication preferences. So you can choose how you want to receive notification from Allstate. It can be email, text alerts, or both. So you can also opt into the paperless billing to go green and get a small discount. So you can also set your preferred language and contact methods. Lastly is explore your Allstate dashboard. So your Allstate account is live. So the dashboard shows your policies, billing summary, claims center, digital ID cards, and your assigned agent's contact info. So you can manage all your Allstate products from this single portal. So you can also check out Allstate's Drivewise program in your dashboard. So this is safe driving can earn your cash back. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.